So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert your Bitcoin to TRX. So first of all, you will have to come on Binance.com and log into your account, and after that choose wallet and go for fiat and spot. So now guys, after coming on this window, look for this search bar and choose BTC. The first option will arrive and choose the convert option. So guys, after coming on this window, you will see this option. Click on it and search TRX. Choose the Tron option, and now you just have to put the amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert 0.2 bitcoins into TRX. So I'll type the 0.2 amount in the Bitcoin section and click on the preview conversion option. And after that it will show you how much your 0.2 Bitcoin are worth in TRX. And if you have the sufficient funds, then you can click on this button and it will convert your Bitcoins into TRX. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.